What is Swiss Choice? With Swiss Choice, Swiss offers you a wide range of additional services for more comfort and individuality. Tailor your travel experience to your own needs, before, during, and after your flight with Swiss. How about choosing your seat? Choose your seat right away when you book your flight, or afterwards up to 48 hours before departure. So, where would you like to sit? Do you prefer sitting by the aisle or at the window? It's up to you, on every flight in Swiss economy. You need more space? Then go for one of our popular seats with extra legroom. Want to save time? Try a seat in our preferred zone right behind Swiss Business and get off the aircraft as one of the first guests. Are you looking for a unique travel experience? In Swiss Business, you can choose a privacy seat that provides you with extra tabletop space and plenty of additional space for yourself. That's it. Tailor your journey to your preferences by choosing your preferred seat. Sounds good? For more information, visit swiss.com/choice.